Welcome to this channel for NEET Biology, and today we will discuss about red algae, the rhodophyta. What are the key features and what important points are essential to crack the NEET. So let's start the rhodophyta. What are the key features? These are very important points to crack all the exams along with the NEET. So be careful about writing the notes. So take a note and let's start. What is actually the rhodophyton traits? First, true leaf, root and stem is totally absent, as it is the total traits of all the thallophytons. So it is the most important trait. No root, shoot or leaf is present, but root, shoot or leaf like structure is there and hold first is there. So in this case it is very important. No true advanced vascularization is there. No vascularization, that is xylem, phloem, these are totally absent. So no vascularization is there in the stem or root like structures, whatever. Cell wall contain peats. Peat means if a two plant cell is present in a cell wall region, there is secondary depositions of the cell wall is not happened and a small pore like structure is present. This is called peats. So peat is an important and advanced trait, is present in angiosperm, but this trait is present in rhodophyta. So as we during classification, chlorophyta is the primitive one, then phaeophyta, then rhodophyta. Rhodophyta is rather advanced one. So it is the advanced trait that cell wall contain peats. Cell wall, secondary cell wall deposition in the cell wall not occur properly and forming a peat. That peat will help in cellular communication by plasmadesmata. So this one is very important. This one, cell wall contain peats. The cell wall is made up of polysulfate esters or of carbohydrate. Polysulfate esters of carbohydrate. These are known as cellulose and pectin. Cellulose and pectin is a cell wall component. These are complex carbohydrate. That's pigments. What are the pigment? R-phycocyanin, R-phycoerythrin, R-phycocyanins, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D and xanthophylls. All xanthophylls are there. So these are, no chlorophyll B is present, no chlorophyll C is present here. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin, these two pigments, and phycoerythrin mask all the pigment. So why red pigment? This one is responsible for red pigmentation. So why the red pigmentation occur? Due to the R-phycoerythrin and R-phycocyanin is present here, the red algae. R for red. Now the flagella is totally absent in all type of members. This one is the advanced trait for rhodophyta. That is, rhodophyta do not contain any flagellated members, either zoospores, either gametes or anything. This one is advanced trait. From earlier, from chlorophyta as well as in phaeophyta, we have seen that all the zoospores, all the gametes contain their flagella at either lateral orientation or at the top, 1 or 2 or 4 or 8, even up to the 8 in a chlorophyta, or 2 in case of phaeophyta. So this is the advanced trait that is in rhodophyta. Do not have any kind of flagellated structure in their whole life cycle. So this one is very important. And the non-flagellated male and female gametes are there. Male gametes is spermatia, female gametes is scarpogonium, female present in scarpogonium and male is present spermatium. So spermatia is a male gamete. This is a very important. Male gamete is non-flagellated, and with the help of air current they transfer. The this food material is Floridian starch. Floridian starch is kind of starch. Floridian starch, reproductive, all type of vegetative, asexual, sexual. All three mode of reproduction occur here. Economic importance is agar is the Gelidium gracilaria. These two algae from agar. Agar, we know that agar is nothing, but it helps in its biotechnology as well as in its media preparation, in case of preparation of jellies and food stuff preparation. So in all cases agar is essential. Gelidium and gracilaria, the two member of rhodophyta, they are responsible for preparation of these production of agar. Carrageen is also a red it's a red algae, and iris moss is called Chondrus crispus. Chondrus crispus is the iris moss from which carrageenan is a agar-like structure also. So, these are all the overall rhodophyta. You have to remember by they are the absent of flagella, there is Freudian starch, their economic importance, sexual asexual, there is a pigments. These are the very small traits are there. So, thank you.